Are you tired of marine speakers that crackle, fade, or fail when exposed to water and sun? Imagine a speaker that not only survives heavy splashes but also delivers rich, full-range audio every time you hit the waves or the trail. That's exactly what you get with this completely waterproof marine speaker, designed to bring clear sound to your boat, ATV, or any outdoor ride without compromise. What sets this speaker apart is its rugged build and impressive audio performance. Equipped with a 15-ounce magnet, it produces a full stereo sound that covers frequencies from 100 Hz to 18 kHz, ensuring your music stays crisp and balanced. The 4-ohm impedance makes it compatible with most marine audio systems, so you won't have to worry about technical mismatches. Plus, its polypropylene cone and cloth surround make it weather-resistant, while the heavy-duty molded ABS plastic basket protects it from sun damage in rough conditions. Installation is a breeze thanks to its low-profile, 4-inch standard size. Whether you're upgrading your boat's sound system or adding speakers to your off-road vehicle, the compact design fits easily with a mounting depth of just 3 inches and a cutout size of 97 mm. The package includes all necessary wiring and mounting hardware, so you can get it set up quickly without extra trips to the store. The classic white molded grille adds a sleek, stylish touch that blends well with any marine or outdoor vehicle aesthetic. Owners rave about the value and sound quality, especially those who want fidelity without the noisy distortion common in cheaper models. One restaurant owner even called it the best option for ambient music, second only to Bose. If you want dependable speakers that won't let you down in tough environments and still sound great, this is the product you need. If that's you, someone who values clear, durable sound and hassle-free installation, these marine speakers are worth a look. They combine solid build quality with excellent audio performance, making your outdoor adventures more enjoyable. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your sound system with speakers designed to withstand the elements and deliver what matters most: great sound every time.